All right, we're going to take a look at how we're going to do the learner sign in and sign out of the office this year. You've been shared with you this student sign in and sign out folder on your Google Drive. You'll be able to find it under the Shared with Me tab to the left-hand side. Each week, we're going to recreate this sign in and sign out, and the purpose of that is to create a new web address each week so that our students can't copy that link and then walk out of the building without necessarily coming to the office. So the first thing we're going to do is go to this folder, right-click on the sign in and sign out, click Make a Copy, and then I think for our filing purposes what we want to do is just rename this with the date. So I'm going to rename it 8/31/2020. So we know that it's for the week of 8/31. We're going to open up that sign in and sign out. And then what we want to see for students is the link. So when we click send up here, we're going to get a link that's going to allow us to share this with other students. And we're going to click copy. And then we need to find a QR code creator. So if you go to Google and click in QR code creator, and I've found that you want to put in free, search it, and there's one called the QR code monkey that has worked well for me. So I'm going to open that up, and I'm simply going to paste the link that I copied into this. You can change the colors of your QR code if you want. You do have to have sort of a range of colors or a high contrast between the background and the foreground. You can play around with this if you really want to, but what we really want is this QR code. So you can see here on the right hand side that it's created the code for me now, and I am going to then download it as a PNG. When I do that, it'll pop up here on my downloads. I can open it up, and now I can print this out. I could snip it and put it into Word to put the words around it, like sign in and sign out, to make that poster. And we're going to post these posters once a week so that we continue to refresh the link. Otherwise, the students would just be able to save this QR code and sign out from anywhere in the building. So to just kind of keep them on their toes, we're going to keep printing these out each week.